What if I tell you that using simple head movements, eye blinks and jaw clenches, you can easily replace your traditional mouse? Hi, I am Varun Patil from Upside Down Labs, and today I am going to show you how can you make your own hands-free human-computer interface-based mouse using Neuro-PlayGround Lite. NPG Lite is a compact wireless biopotential signal acquisition board. It's designed to record signals like EEG, EOG, EMG and ECG, making it a powerful tool for building your own HCI and BCI project. For this specific project, we are using two types of biopotential signals. The first is eye signals, also called as electrooculography signals, which are generated due to eye movements and blinks. The second type of signal is muscle signal, also called as electromyography signals, which are generated due to muscle contraction. How does this actually work? Using these signals along with IMU or an inertial measurement unit like MPU 6050 or BMI 270, you can track your head movements and accordingly map the cursor. Also, using eye blinks and jaw clenches, you can trigger the commands of mouse. Now, by mounting this sensor alongside our NPG Lite, we can calculate the head orientation and then it translates it into smooth cursor movement on the screen. For the actual mouse buttons, we are replacing them with our electrical signals generated by the body. For left click, we are using jaw clenches, which are generated by the EMG signals. For drag option, we are using double blink, which are generated by the EOG signals, and for right click, we are using triple blink, which are again generated by our EOG signals. Neuro-PlayGround Lite with VibZ Playmate, BMI 270 or MPU 6050 sensor with quick connector, alcohol swabs, 3 bioamp snap cables, 3 gel electrodes, a headband to mount the hardware and a laptop. You will get all of these material inside the NPG Lite Ninja pack, and the link to purchase will be in the description. Just keep in mind that the IMU sensor, the headband and the laptop are not included in the base kit. Good signal quality starts with good skin preparation. Use an alcohol swab to thoroughly clean the areas where the gel electrodes will be placed. Snap the bioamp cables onto your gel electrodes. The positive electrode centered to your forehead. Place the negative electrodes on the bony region behind your right ear. Place the reference electrode on the bony region behind your left ear. Now let's connect them into the NPG Lite. Connect the positive cable to A0P. Connect the negative cable to A0N. And then finally, connect the reference cable to ref. To get the mouse firmware ready to use, we will use Arduino IDE. Power on the Neuro-PlayGround Lite by flipping the on-off switch at the bottom and connecting your NPG device to your laptop with a Type-C cable. Open the NPG Lite Arduino firmware repository on GitHub, link of which is given in the description. Open the folder matching your specific motion sensor, either the NPG mouse MPU 6050 or an NPG mouse BMI 270, and copy the raw code from the .ino sketch. Open the Arduino IDE, create a new sketch and paste the code inside. One important step. Go to your board manager and look for ESP32 by Espressifs. You must use version 3.2.0. Do not use the latest version as it may break compatibility. Next, install the required hardware libraries. Go to Sketch, Include Libraries, Manage Libraries and search for and install Adafruit NeoPixel along with either the Adafruit MPU 6050 library or the SparkFun BMI 270 Arduino library, depending on which sensor you are using. In this project, we are using a library called ESP32BLE Combo, which is our own modification. Go to this repository, link of which is given in the description. Click the green code button and select Download Zip. Now, in Arduino IDE, go to Sketches, Include Library, Add .zip library, select the downloaded zip file and install it. Further, go to Tools, Board, ESP32 and select the ESP32C6 dev module. Once your board is selected and libraries are installed, click the Upload button. Once uploaded, unplug your device and it is now ready to go wireless. Once unplugged, you will see the NeoPixel LEDs have lit up. Secure the NPG Lite into the 3D printed slot on the headband. And put it on. Hold the NPG Lite upright with the USB-C port facing down. The rightmost LED displays your battery status. The leftmost LED shows connection status. Right now, it's glowing red, which means it's searching for a connection. On your PC, open your Bluetooth settings, click Add Device and select NPG Lite BCI mouse. You will feel a quick vibration feedback from the board and the leftmost LED will turn green, confirming you are paired. Since everyone wears the headset slightly differently, we'll calibrate it so the cursor accurately follows your head movements regardless of the orientation of MPU 6050. You'll feel a short vibration confirming the connection. Thanks to VibZ Playmate's onboard haptic motor, you don't need to guess whether it is working. The hardware will itself guide you and pulse you throughout the process of calibration. Now it's time to calibrate your sensors. The calibration begins automatically. There will be a short vibration pulse signaling that the calibration is about to begin. Here comes the first vibration, approximately 3 seconds long. Look up or tilt your head upwards and hold the position until the vibration stops. Then return to neutral. The second vibration of approximately 3 seconds will again begin. Tilt your head to the left and hold it until the vibration stops, then return to neutral. After a brief pause, you will feel one final shot of vibration pulse, which means the calibration is completed and mouse is now active. In case you've missed any calibration step, you can simply click the reset button on NPG Lite and the entire calibration process will start again. Now that the calibration is complete, you will start seeing that your cursor has started moving on the screen according to your head movement. As you can see, you can control the cursor using your head movements. Double blink for left hold or release and triple blink for right click. Now, you can play music videos, watch your favorite movies or play your favorite games, all without even touching your mouse. Building your first wireless Bluetooth-based mouse is an excellent way to dive into human-computer interfaces. In fact, we have also created joystick-styled versions of the same project for you guys to explore. You can learn more about NPG Lite using the documentation page, link to which is provided in the description. Links to purchase NPG Lite Ninja Pack are also provided into the description. If you found this video interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, share and comment in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, keep tinkering. What if I tell you that using simple head movements, eye blinks and jaw clenches, you can easily replace your traditional mouse? You can easily replace your traditional mouse. You can easily replace your traditional mouse. Laptops are not included, बताना पड़ रहा है separately.